Hi there. Want to create user experiences that truly connect? Today, we're diving into user-centered design and how you can apply it to your projects for impactful results. Step 1, conduct user research. Start by interviewing, surveying, and observing your users. This helps you gather valuable insights into their needs, behaviors, and pain points. Use this information to create detailed user personas that represent your target audience. These personas will guide your design decisions and ensure you are meeting user needs effectively. Step 2, involve users early and often. Begin with low-fidelity prototypes to quickly iterate on ideas. Move to wireframes and mock-ups for more detailed feedback. Conduct usability testing to identify issues and areas for improvement. Always iterate based on real user input. This ensures your design evolves to meet user expectations. Step 3, practice empathy. Create user journeys and scenarios to step into your user's shoes. This approach helps you understand their context, emotions, and goals. Revealing opportunities to enhance your design is crucial. Empathy allows you to create solutions that resonate deeply with users, making their experience more meaningful. Step 4, collaborate with a diverse team. Work closely with developers, marketers, and stakeholders. A multidisciplinary approach ensures that all perspectives are considered. This results in a more holistic and effective design. Diverse teams bring unique insights that can significantly improve the user experience and overall project success. Step 5, prioritize accessibility. Ensure your designs are usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. Implement accessibility features like screen reader compatibility and keyboard navigation. Step 6, measure and iterate. Use analytics and continuous user feedback to assess your design's effectiveness. Regularly refine your user experience to keep it relevant and engaging. So, let's recap. Conduct thorough user research, involve users throughout the design process, practice empathy through user journeys, collaborate with diverse teams, prioritize accessibility, and continuously measure and iterate your designs. Thanks for watching. For more insights and guidance, visit us at o8.agency. Let's create user experiences that truly resonate.